Hello to all the YouTube fellows. Tell me, how are you? So today's video is all about advanced English sentences. The first is be quiet. How do you say it in advanced form? You can say lower your voice. Lower your voice. More often children make some sound which sometimes kind of annoying to mothers, and they want to tell their children to not make noise. Then how do you say lower down your voice instead of saying be quiet? Next is it's my fault. And how do you say it? You can say that's on me. Sometimes you do make mistakes, and it's better to admit your mistakes, and you can say it better like it's on me, means that's my fault, I'm the reason behind it, right? Okay, next is I'm sorry. And how do you say it in advanced form? You can say my apologies. Rather than saying I'm sorry, you can say my apologies, right? Next is let's go. Let's go. You can say time to move. Time to move, right? That's how you say whenever you want to say let's go to somewhere. Time to move to that place, right? Okay, this is I'm so excited. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled to announce the name of the person that I love. Something like that. I don't like it. It's not for me. It's not for me. Let's go to the wedding. Oh God, wedding is not for me, right? That's how you use it. Next is very simple. Whenever you understand something, you can say got it, or you can say got it. So there are different expressions of saying got it. Like if you are up for the task and somebody's explained that task to you, then you can say got it. And when you want to sound more annoying, then you can say I got it. I already know what I'm going to do, right? Next is be careful. Watch your step. Watch your step, right? And the last is I am heading out. By the end of this video, for sure, I'm heading out, right? So I'm leaving. I'm leaving, and you can say it in advanced form that I'm heading out. I am heading out. Or you can say I'm off, right? So take care of yourself. Goodbye.